Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about a new product. It was sent to me, but I just wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to test it out and see how I liked it and if the product worked. Honestly, I've never been someone who has used a bunch of micellar waters in my routine, but I'm super excited to add one into my nighttime routine. Definitely can help me get my makeup off better and hopefully prevent future breakouts by doing that. So I was sent a micellar water that is actually for sensitive skin. It's called Riversol. They just sent me their new micellar water that they're about to launch, and you guys can actually try a 15-day free sample using a link I'll put down in the description bar. There are no strings attached or anything. And you can also take 10% off your order with my code, which is TIFF10, T-I-F-F, and then the number 10 at checkout. And then also I'm going to do a giveaway in this video. So I'm going to randomly choose one of you that comments down below, and you guys will win a Riversol prize pack. So I know a lot of people will use it to take off their makeup. So usually I like to use my Neutrogena makeup wipes that you guys saw in my nighttime routine a while back. And then now I added another step. I will kind of use my wipes, but not as much as I had to before, maybe just for eye makeup. But they did send me the cloth to take this off. You just use it till you think you need to wash it, and make sure you wash it by itself. That's kind of how all of these types of cloths are. You want to make sure you wash them by themselves, dry them by themselves so they don't cling to everything else, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. You could just do this by itself, but I've been trying to make my cloth go farther and not have to wash it every single day. So that is why I still will use just a wipe, because let's be honest, I cake on my makeup, especially my eye makeup. I mean, today I did a smoky eye. So yeah, but I've been testing this out for 2 weeks now, and I have only used this much, so that is fantastic. It actually lasts a while. So I'll leave on a good amount. Usually I use 4 wipes, as you guys know if you watch my routine. So I'm only going to use 1. And I will show you guys how well this takes off the rest of my makeup. So in the 15-day free sample, you get a 15-day supply of Riversol cleanser, anti-redness serum, and moisturizer. So that'd be a great way to try out all their products and maybe find a skincare routine that really works for yourself. But yeah. I feel like this brand is great for someone who has sensitive skin like myself. That is why I'm super happy they reached out to me, because that's kind of why I steered away from other micellar waters. So the micellar water does retail for $19, and you get 8 fluid ounces. So if you want to try it out for yourself, you can use my code and save 10%. So that'll be $1.90. But yeah. So I'm going to do how I have been doing. What I like to do with it is I'll take a little bit of micellar water on my cloth, and it's so soft, I just wipe it around on my face. And you can literally see how easily this takes off my makeup, and I cake it on. So like I said, I usually have to use 4 to 5 wipes of my Neutrogena things. This is nice because I can just reuse this, and I feel like I'm not polluting the earth as much. It smells so good, and it's just so soft. I'm probably going to have to wash my cloth after today. But yeah. This is just I think it's helpful because it helps your double cleansing process. If you know what I mean. If you watch my nighttime routine, you know. So this is what it looks like so far. Yeah. It does a great job of taking my makeup off. And it's so soft. You really don't have to put that much pressure on, which is nice. I'm gonna flip it over because I have used this quite a bit. And because of my neck. needs got pretty good. Good stuff, guys, good stuff. All right, now I'm gonna go a little bit right here and focus it on my eyes. Yeah. Can tell I like smoky eye makeup. Alright, so I went ahead and finished taking off my makeup, as you guys can see on camera. I personally really like this. I'm glad they sent it to me. I don't get anything from this, you guys. They just reached out to me. I have sensitive skin, and I'm like super thrilled. My skin has been clearing up, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but over the last 2 weeks, it's because of this. This is the only thing I added into my nighttime routine since my like nighttime routine video. So super stoked about that. So again, you can use my code TIFF10 at checkout. It's just TIFF10, and it'll save you 10%. Then make sure you enter my giveaway down below so you guys can enter to win a prize pack from this company, and check out their free 15-day sample pack. I will link all of that down below. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.